Hey, this is Left Technical, and I'm going to talk about code analysis. And what code analysis is a code analyzer built into the Visual Studio's IDE, and it's going to analyze code for you and tell you how you can make the code better and faster. So here are some elements or components of the code analysis program. It takes a look at design rules, globalization, which is just like making things compatible with other parts of the world, interoperability rules, maintainability rules, just like, I guess that's I don't know, how you write it and how you distribute your code, mobility rules, naming rules. It often is going to bitch at you for Hungarian notation because it's Microsoft. Performance rules. It's the performance. I don't really know the namespace that this runs under, but it's very effective and it will help you make your program run smoother and faster. Portability rules, reliability rules, security rules. Yeah, they'll make sure that nothing is overexposed in your application and that it's not doing anything illegal. Usage rules. I think this one takes a look at like dispose patterns and see if you're doing them, and yeah, GC collect, disposed, collection property should be read only. Yeah, make sure that you're not abusing the language. So I'm going to go ahead and run code analysis on my project. Build, it's under the build menu item, and you want to go to run code analysis, which is third from the bottom. I have done a lot of work with the code analysis here. I was at about 78 warnings and I lowered it down to 25. Okay, this one wants me to set the iFormat provider. Okay. And I think that is appropriate because this text is being presented to screen, and that is Microsoft. That's from under the Microsoft Globalization namespace or class or whatever it is. And there's another one down here or up top. This says also being presented to screen, so I want to say culture info, current culture, and that means that it doesn't matter where you are in the world, this text will be displayed properly to you. Except for that P right there. I don't know about that. And this should be marked as static because it has no usage of this or me in the body. I'm not referencing any objects, or sorry, any of the Bohr diagram objects. Okay, so private static. This wants me to change my property element shells to a collection, probably because it's faster, because it's under the Microsoft Performance namespace. I'm not going to do that because I have 118 elements, and if I change this to a collection, it is going to it's going to corrupt my, well, it's going to give me a lot of work. Here's another method that should be marked as static. This wants me to change two lower invariant to two upper invariant. That's just nonsense. I'm not going to do that. It doesn't like you using the timer, the Windows Forms timer with any time interval less than 1 second. Okay, draw arrow. I'm not using that anymore. And get rid of that. Lathanide. It's picking up Hungarian on one of my on Lathanide here. That's nonsense. Okay, it says that aluminum is spelled wrong, and it's not. Okay, I think that's all I really want to change right now. But you can definitely learn a lot from this code analysis, and I'll show you a lot of things that you would not know by default. So definitely run the code analysis on one of your projects and see what it comes up with.